Matagal na pindot. May red na.
Okay na. Good afternoon, doctors. Veradis Pharmaceuticals. First and foremost, Veradis Pharmaceuticals would like to thank you for coming here today to take part in our first ever product presentation. I am Len, your territory manager. Your territory manager in Marikina and Rizal Uptown. And here with me are my co-medics, namely Angelica, and that is our passion doctor. To start with, our company was born on September 14, 2007. We are registered with BFAD and BIR on October 8 and October 3 respectively. Our office is located in Pasig City. This is the operating principle of Veradis. We will go beyond existing limits. It is not just that we would like to adapt the capabilities of the traditional pharmaceutical, but also, doctors, we would like to bring you the latest information, data, study, and material which can help you and guide you to decide the best treatment for your patient. Doctors, with the tip of your fingers, we will go beyond existing limits.
Wow!
Wow!
Oh, yeah.
That's exciting.
Which leads us to our mission statement. We strongly believe that through your support, doctors, Veradis will provide financial freedom to our clients, doctors. And of course, the number one client is no other than you, doctors. Second is, we not only dedicate ourselves to bring you high-quality materials, but also we want to enhance the lives of people and improve the way that they live every day. This would explain why we are in continuous quest to provide you, doctors, innovative opportunities through our e-business technologies. Who are we, doctors? Veradis would be the first company to practice e-promotion and e-detailing. And also, doctors, we will be the first one to provide you the latest information, data, materials to guide you, doctors, in choosing the best treatment for your patients through the use of the World Wide Web. And that's making our business easier, doctors. And of course, I would like to introduce to you, for now, our partners who plays a very significant role in our road to success. And that is no other than our manufacturer, the Lupin Pharmaceuticals. Our partner, the Lupin Pharmaceuticals, are not only known for combating tuberculosis, bacterial infections, and cardiovascular diseases. They are also known in developing chemical entities. That's why, doctors, if you would be able to visit their site, which is in CUNY, their research and development is a state-of-the-art and spanning for over 20,000 acres and employing about 180 scientists with over 130 patents to date. So we're very to back up with, Lupin has successful US FDA certification for 11 manufacturing facilities. Also, it is Asia's only US FDA approved fermentation plant for rifampicin and World Health Organization certified finished product manufacturing facility for tuberculosis products. So, doctor, we are very lucky to have a manufacturer like Lupin Pharmaceuticals. So we are very sure that what we are bringing you are qualified and high-quality pharmaceutical products. And also, doctor, Lupin received the Best New Manufacturer of the Year award from AmerisourceBergen last July 30, 2007. So, to give you a glimpse about AmerisourceBergen, it is a leader in healthcare distribution in the U.S. The award is to recognize Lupin's contribution and commitment toward excellence as a generic drug supplier